Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both accounts. Enable Gmail two-step verification and then create an app password for Outlook. This lets Outlook authenticate securely. Once done, open Outlook and choose File, then Add Account. You'll enter your Gmail address first. Outlook will try automatic setup, but you'll switch to manual if asked. Make sure to keep the app password handy. You'll paste it instead of your normal Gmail password when prompted, which prevents authentication errors later. You should now perform the detailed configuration. Pick Manual Setup and select IMAP for syncing mail across devices. IMAP keeps messages on the server. Enter incoming server IMAP, Gmail, COM and outgoing SMTP, Gmail, COM. Set incoming port 993 with SSL/TLS and outgoing port 587 with Startles. When Outlook asks for password, paste the Google app password you created earlier, not your normal password. Once configured, Outlook will test the connections. These finish by confirming folder mappings so sent and deleted messages appear correctly in Gmail folders. Adjust sync settings and update how much mail to keep offline. Once done, allow time for the initial sync. Large mailboxes can take several minutes. If messages don't send or sync, make sure the app password is correct. Ports are 993 and 587, and SSL/TLS or Startles is enabled. If problems persist, reauthorize your Google account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.